What's up everybody, it's Matthew Seville with SLR Lounge, and today I am reviewing this gigantic beast, the Sigma 70-200 f2.8 Sport. It is enormous and it is, spoiler alert, awesome. I'm taking it out to do some surf photography. You might find some wildlife later today. I also shot a little bit of portraiture and weddings this weekend. So let's dive in and see what this is all about. Okay, let's cut right to the chase. This lens is obviously enormous and heavy and big, but does it deliver the goods? Yes, it does. It is amazingly sharp at all focal lengths and all apertures. I've shot it wide open at f2.8. It's super sharp. It's built like a tank. It's definitely made to last forever. And I'm not just talking about durability, I'm talking about this thing is ready for your 50, 75, 100 megapixel cameras. So, is it right for you? Personally, I would say this is definitely the new champion of big gun telephoto action sports lenses. If you already own a 300 2.8 or a 400, 500, 600 millimeter prime, and you're looking for a great 70-200, and you don't mind the crazy weight and heft of this lens, then definitely go for it. But if you're an all-day long wedding photojournalist, and you're looking for a lens, a 70-200, to shoot candid journalistic portraits for 8, 10, 12 hours a day, honestly, I'm pushing in the other direction. Me personally now, I am more interested in where Canon's going with their mirrorless line. They have a 70-200 2.8 coming that's going to be even more compact and hopefully lightweight compared to the existing name brand 70-200s. This lens is going totally in the opposite direction. If you're looking for a lightweight portrait journalistic lens, this is probably not really the lens for you. It could be a great portrait lens if you don't mind lugging around a gigantic heavy lens and you really love what 70-200 f2.8 offers. This thing will give you the sharpness, it'll give you gorgeous bokeh, and it is very, very snappy and reliable to autofocus as well, which I am very, very happy about for Sigma overall. So good job Sigma on the 70-200 Sport. It is definitely an awesome lens, very, very sharp, built like a tank, and reliable, quick, snappy autofocus. You really couldn't ask for more, especially considering the price. And if you're gonna complain about the weight, it's just not the right lens for you. Anyways, thanks for watching folks. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the notifications, and we'll see you in our next video.